Alright, what are we getting started on?
Not doing in the snorkel until she goes and gets me a can of grizzly wintergreen from beside the bed.
Tell him he don't need to be doing that no more. I'm trying to help him quit.
Yeah, I'm not quitting.
We're gonna snorkel the Honda.
Do we rig it or do I actually watch a video on how to do it?
You're gonna watch a video and do it
We're
right.
rigging it.
No, we're not.
Yep, with that attitude, we're rigging it.
No.
Where's the torch so we can burn these?
Oh my gosh.
You got all these parts?
Yep.
For sure?
Yep.
Have you looked?
Yeah.
Everything that's in here?
Yes.
You did look?
Yes.
Well, these suck. You got anything?
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna start on this CF.
Got all the pink on here. Trying to talk him into getting powder coat stuff so we can powder coat pink next.
What?
Said I'm trying to talk you into getting the powder coat and stuff so we can powder coat some of my stuff pink on here.
You pay for it. I said I don't want to hear no shit from anybody on how I'm pulling these out, because I don't care. I gotta throw some shots. I got a dude on my YouTube shorts asking my thumbs wore out. We went riding yesterday and still goes perfectly fine. Yeah, we have a ton of these clips on school. Got one more over here.
For car insurance made easy, get more with Geico.
Subway's got a new meal of the day. Chips and a drink for just $6.99. Or if you're big hungry, make it a footlong for only $3 more. $6.99 meal of the day at Subway. Let's talk salary.
Great. What do you typically offer for this role?
It's competitive.
So is it like competitive salary, or is it like?
Emmy, you gonna take the thing through Snorkel? Like the one that Carson is going through?
No, not that one.
Why not?
Not until I get comfortable with it.
Your snorkel, you'll be fine. That's how
I
you
have
work
to go
it.
through little ones first and then I'll build my way up. I'm not trying to sink it on my first try.
The little ones ain't gonna get you comfortable with the big ones. It's two different ball games. thing.
No, but what I'm saying is, like, if it goes somewhere where it doesn't take like 5 minutes to get back to the truck, and we're a long ways
Well,
away.
can you get
and
about
I'm
50 more of them?
thirsty,
You know what? You know what would be more
well,
convenient?
we could get a little cooler.
You get a cool.
And then strap it.
Yeah, that cup holder's selfish as fuck. Yeah. You got a 90 water? No, I got mine though, my cup holder. No, mine's in my cup holder though. I'm dying of thirst.
I'll share my one water bottle with y'all.
Yeah, you can have a sip. Alright, get the fuck out of my way. I'm just kidding.
And that is on video. For your subscribers, you're gonna see how mean you are to me.
My subscribers are like, damn, how the fuck you put her ass?
Hey, she said it's your job, by the way, to take care of it.
Yeah, I know.
I'll ride it, you just gotta take care of it.
Exactly.
You buy that off Amazon? You buy that off Amazon? Buy the Snorkel off Amazon? This thing's, you should get a sticker that says
Sponsored
Amazon.
by Amazon.
www.amazon.
You know all about perseverance. You believed in your team, even when it hurt. You met the challenge piece by piece. You didn't quit then. Don't start now. If you've had hormonal and chemotherapy, ask your doctor about Highlifter, a different type of treatment for PSMA-positive metastatic prostate cancer. It targets PSMA-positive cancer cells, so you can be you for longer. And that's no small victory. Highlifter involves contact with
Thanks, John. Man, it's straight. That happy medium before the barbecue hell out of it.
You'll put the straight connector around this size. After that, you'll leave this part point metal. Then you'll take one of your 3-inch cup.
Oh, it's this minute, hold on. Shoot. I'm just running on the outside of this. See what I'm saying?
Make some people mad and cut these in an angle. If you've never been digging around in something and somebody was nice enough to give you one of these jobs right here, that's sharp.
Ah! Don't do that.
You don't want to do that. All right, so let's pick back up on this. I got some videos from yesterday putting this on. And I got a little sidetracked and did not finish videoing it. But anyway, so I don't know if this kit was, something was goofy and I don't know. we're having a malfunction with this down here. I still got to paint this. Not doing that right now. Everything's glued together. Everything's sealed. We got this bracket on there. I don't know if there's supposed to be something else that goes across here. Don't know. But it's tight. It's not moving. The box is sealed. We put some silicone around all that kind of stuff. Anyway, but this pipe that we have down here, we had to go 1.5 inch coupling because the outer diameter was the same size as the pipe, to 1.5 inch pipe, to 1.5 to 2 inch coupling, to a 2 inch coupling. Sorry, 1.5 to 2 inch reducer to 2 inch coupling. Into our 2 inch 45 there, and then 45's out, 45's back. We got the pipe going across there. We got the heat shrink on our pipe down there. Our heat wrap, sorry. But the snorkel is done. Let's see. Runs how it's supposed to. No issues with that stuff. The other day we put on her synthetic rope for her winch cable. She had to have her pink hook, so there that is. Straighten out this bumper. I think in the video I posted the other day you could see, I might have showed it. Got a little ding there. I straightened it out the best I could on the press. But yeah, I'm hoping that I have some videos of this thing from the other day. I will look. I know I have 1 or 2, something like that. Not this coming weekend, but the weekend after. I think we're planning on going to Outback in North Carolina. Definitely got a ton of videos off of that. But there's that. I don't know if there's anything else I'm missing here. We did get all of our vent lines routed. All of that stuff is tucked up in here. Out of sight, out of mind. But yeah, did great on the ride. Didn't have any issues out of it. But anyway, guys, we're probably going to throw this in at the end of the video. Comment, like, subscribe. Please share our videos, and hope y'all have a good day.